Welcome to Cotino, a Storyliving by Disney community here in sunny Rancho Mirage. I'm David, broker at Armenta Realty, and if you want to go see any of these gorgeous model homes that are available, book a private showing with me. I have private broker exclusive access to showcase these homes to the public. So please get in touch with me, book a showing, and let's make your dream come true.
All right, so this is the screen room. This is where they give you the warm welcoming and just kind of the intro to the whole community. And then you go into this curtain unveiling into the community. As you can see, tiny little figurines here that represent people. There's actual sand. The lagoon is actually vinyl. There's no sand in the lagoon, which is a question I had answered later on. There's cabanas, private cabanas. There's resorts within the resort. It's phenomenal. There's an Olympic-sized pool, tennis courts, and I believe that's pickleball courts, as well as other pickleball courts within the community. And you probably already know what this is. I won't even mention it. Beautiful work of art, and it's real. All right, so now we're going to tour our first home. It's going to be the Atelier 2. It's in the 55-plus community home design. It's about 2,275 square feet, 2 bedrooms to a full bath, 1 half bath, which we'll see later. And it is home site 255. This is part of the Cottage Collection. Very, very nice finishes, lots of textures, colors, tones, contrast. They play with simplicity and complexity. There's a full-size laundry room. There's a counter on the other side. This is like a den. You can use it as an office too. Put some glass on the side. This is like the side yard. It has its barbecue. It has everything. This is the open concept for sure. Look at those coffered ceilings or wood paneling on the ceilings. The lamps are just magnificent. There's a fireplace there, waterfall edges, cantilevered edges, it appears. Lots of art. Of course, this is the model home, so they're showcasing everything. This is the primary bedroom. You have twin sinks for both parties. And then you have this beautiful walk-in closet, which I love the selection of the tone of wood. Very natural. And then you have this play on tile with textures and 2 tones. Very beautiful. I love how the closet wood paneling, you see it in the primary here. It's a beautiful continuation of colors and tones and textures. Here's the pool. You got a rubber ducky there. And this picture right here, I just wanted you to see the Santa Barbara finish with inside the house. It's gorgeous.
Now, just a quick reminder before we keep going, if you want to tour these homes or any of the available homes inside of the gorgeous Cotino property, you'll need to schedule a private showing with me. Again, I have private broker access, and I want to extend that over to you. So get a hold of me, book an appointment, and let's go see it.
Okay, so this is the Artisan Club. This is where you have the Architect's Fork, Plot Twist, Par House, private beaches, creative studios, wellness studios, sport courts, heated pool, water sport rentals, a whole bunch of stuff. This is where you're greeted initially, part of like the welcome center within the Artisan Club. They got a little history here, a little knickknacks, pallywhacks. Here's your gym. You have nutritionists on duty. That's your yoga studio. You have private coaches, private trainers, and that's all included in the membership fees. That's an arts and crafts studio there. Very cool. And you can bring the family here and you can do stuff on the weekends or during the week. You just got to book it. Here's your pickleball courts. You have tennis ball courts. This is a game room with games, just like old times. You can build puzzles and other games and stuff or play with other kids within the community. This is the grassy knoll area. There's a bar / they call it Architect's Fork. You have your own private restaurant, which is amazing, and prices were actually accessible. And this is one of your dockings. They haven't confirmed, but I think you can bring your own water sport equipment that's non-motorized.
right, what a beautiful home that was. I hope you enjoyed. That concludes this particular model home showing. If you want to go see any of these beautiful model homes, just give me a call via private appointment only. Again, I'm David with Armenta Realty here in Rancho Mirage, and I'm excited to show you what's next. Take care.